anyone desirous of thrills and hair-raising spectacles, I can thoroughly recommend the Monaco Grand Prix. I remember some years ago being invited to act as an official starter, since I was unable to compete on that occasion. The main thoroughfares of Monte Carlo are closed and the cars screech at high speed through the narrow streets, along the promenade, around acute bends, and through the famous tunnel. This year, Luigi Fagioli, an Italian, driving a Mercedes-Benz, you can spot it as it flashes by, number 4, takes the lead very quickly after the start. The spectators, who include Sir George Clark, the British ambassador, see Fagioli driving with great determination, complete the 100 rounds of the course in 3 hours and 23 seconds, thus winning. Here he is. It must have been a fine race.